welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to study part 2 chapter number 10, division of polynomials. Okay, so already you studied the addition, okay, then subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expressions Suppose first consider the example of addition. Suppose 2a plus 3a. So we know that here the one variable is there. Variable means what? This. Now a is called the what? Variable. So the coefficient here is 2, here is the 3, so 3 plus 2, 5, and the variable is a. Okay, suppose one more example, 7a plus 3a. So can we write 7 plus 3, 10, and the variable is a. Okay, third one, consider the example of subtraction. Suppose 7b minus 4b. Okay, so again coefficient 7 minus 4, 3, variable is b. Okay, then fourth one, suppose 13x minus 10x. Okay, so 13 minus 10 is 3 and variable is x. Okay, so here is the addition, here is the what? That is the subtraction. Here consider suppose example of multiplication, that is 3p into p square. So we know the here now 3 coefficient is here is 1, so 3 ones are 3, and then p, so we know that these powers can be added when there is a multiplication. Okay, so here is the power is 1, so 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 and power of p becomes 2 plus 1, so 3p cube. Okay, the next one is what? Suppose 5m square into 3m square. So again coefficient is 5, coefficient is 3, so 5 3s are 15. Okay, then variable is m, then here is the power is 2 is there, here is also power is 2, so they can be added, so 2 plus 2, so 15 m raised to 4. So we already studied these addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expressions. Now here we are going to study the division of polynomials. Okay, so first thing, what is a polynomial? Yes, what is polynomial? So we can write if index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number, then the expression is called a polynomial. Expression is called polynomial. Again I am reading, if index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number, then the expression is called a polynomial. Okay, suppose here consider one example, x square plus 3x plus 3. Now here the one term is there, index. What is meant by index? Index indicates the power of variable. Now variable is what? Now in this case x is variable, in this case a is variable, here is the b is variable, here is the x is variable. Okay, so power of this variable, now x, here is power is what? 2, so 2 is called index. Okay, here is nothing is there, means what? Power is 1 is there, so index is 1. Okay, now what is this? If index of each term of an algebraic in one variable only, now this expression should be in only in one variable. Suppose it should not be x plus y. Okay, so is a whole number, then the expression is polynomial. Okay, suppose here we consider one example, 3x square minus 2x into 4x cube minus 3x square. So here we have to carry the what? Multiplication. Okay, so always remember, when there is a multiplication of two brackets, at that time, so first bracket needs to multiply to the second bracket. So here the first term is in the first bracket is 3x square, multiply it to the second bracket, 4x cube minus 3x square. Okay, then what is the sign between the two terms in the first bracket? Minus. So here is the minus sign. Then consider the second term, that is 2x, multiply it to the again second bracket. Okay, means the each term in the first bracket needs to be multiplied to the second bracket. Okay, so now carry the multiplication. Whenever there is a multiplication of the two terms contains a variable, first multiply the coefficient, so 3 and 4, so 3 4s are 12. Then the x is there, now multiplication, so power to be added, so x 2 and 3, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Then again sign is there, minus, so again 3 3s are 9. Then again x power is 2, here is the 2, so 2 plus 2 4, because we are multiplying here. Then here the sign is what? Now this is the first bracket, then the minus, now minus into plus, so minus sign is there, so 2 4s are 8. Then again x power will be added, here is the 1, so 3 plus 1 become 4. Now multiply second term, so here is the minus, here is minus, so minus minus a plus, so coefficient 2 3s are 6, and x cube, because 1 plus 2 3. So if you are observing, when the index of the variables are same, only that terms can be, we can consider for the calculation. So here the first 12x raised to 5 becomes same. So here is the minus 9x raised to 4, and here is the minus 8x raised to 4. So we know that when there is a minus minus terms, so there is an addition. Okay, so sign become minus, so 9 and 8 becomes 17, and x raised to 4 plus 6x cube. So this is the what? Answer. Okay, so I hope all of you understood what is a polynomial and how we are carrying out the different operations like the addition, subtraction and the multiplication. Okay, now next we will study the degree of polynomial. So next is what? Degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? The greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. What is the meaning of this? Let us consider one example. Suppose 3x cube plus x. Okay, now we know that here the variable is what? X, and the greatest index of variable, index means here the power of x is 3, here the power of x is 1. So which one is the greatest? 3, no? Yes, so 3 is the answer. That is the 3 is the degree of this polynomial. That is the highest or the greatest index of variable in the. Suppose let us consider second example. Suppose 3x raised to 5 plus x cube minus x raised to 6 plus 2x. Okay, now again if you are observing, here the index is 5, 3, 6 and here is the 1. So which one is the greatest index of variable in this polynomial? Here is the answer becomes 6. Okay, one more example. Suppose x raised to 6 minus x raised to 7 plus x raised to 9. So which one is the, what is the degree of polynomial? So again here is the power is 6, index is 7, index is 9, so greatest index become 9, so 9 is the degree of polynomial. Okay, so I hope all of you understood the operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication of an algebraic expression and the degree of polynomial. Thank you.